I found a special hat that's given me an idea. I'm going to be a police lady and control some traffic. And you're going to be the traffic. Let's get into your cars, rising up and holding onto the steering wheel. You're going to drive around, up on tippy toes, drive, drive, drive. But watch out for when I put my hand up and go stop. You need to stop at the traffic lights, nice and still. All right, hands on your steering wheel, engines running. Let's get ready for the music. Cars. Drive around, drive, drive. Up on your tippy toes and stop. Oh, good freezing. And go. And stop. Go. And stop. Go. Stop. 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 Oh, very good. Well done, little cars. Thank you so much for joining me in today's lesson about cars, frowns on, nice and tall, and see you next time.